Here the question says a piece of wire 144 centimeter long is bent to form a semicircle as shown in the figure. Okay everyone, here the question says a piece of wire 144 centimeter long is bent to form a semicircle as shown in the figure. So here this is a piece of wire that is 144 centimeter and it is bent to form a semicircle. So this is a semicircle and it is converted from this one. Okay. Then what will we get? We'll get a semicircle from a piece of wire which is 144 centimeter long. So this is semicircle. So this is, we can say, center. Okay. And the whole perimeter represent 144. That means if we want to measure from this point to this point, then we will get in total 144 centimeter. So we can say that perimeter is 144 centimeter. Okay. So here perimeter of the semicircle is 144 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of this semicircle? Here the upper part is actually 2 pi r by 2. Why? The total circle, whole circle circumference is 2 pi r. So half of the circle will be 2 pi r by 2. That will be pi r. And from this part to this part, this is called the diameter. So this is D. So we can say perimeter equal to the upper one pi r and the lower one D, which also represent 2r. Why? Because diameter is twice of the radius. So instead of perimeter, we can write pi r plus 2r. Why 2r? Because diameter 2r. Okay. So the whole part represent 144. Now we need to find out the diameter of the semicircle, giving your answer in meter. So at first we need to find out the value of r. So what will be the value of r? We can take r as a common factor. So we'll get pi plus 2 equal to 144, or r into, what is the value of pi? The question already given, the value of pi is 22 by 7. Okay. Plus, instead of 2, we can write 2 multiplied by 7 to make same denominator. Okay. Equal to 144. Now here we can write r multiplied by, look, both denominators are same, that means 7. So we'll add the numerator, 22 plus 2 into 7, that will be 14, equal to 144. So r multiplied by 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 1, 3 by 7 equal to 144. Now we need to move 36 by 7 on another side. Then we will get r equal to 144 multiplied by 7 by 36. Now we need to cancel the values. Here 12 3s are 36 and 12 12s are 144. Again divide 12 by 3, that will be 4. So the value of r will be 4 7s are 28 centimeter. Okay. But the question asks to find out the diameter. So what will be the diameter? Diameter will be 2 multiplied by r. Okay. The value of r is 28. So 2 multiplied by 28 centimeter, that is 56 centimeter. But the question asks to convert into meter. That is a very important part. So if I want to convert centimeter to meter, then we need to divide by 100. Then 56 by 100 will be 0.56 meter. And that is the solution of this problem.